Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a simple, refreshing mojito, perfect for pairing with crispy Tostones. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 10 fresh mint leaves, 2 juicy limes, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Also, have 2 ounces of your favorite white rum, some club soda, and plenty of ice on hand. This easy method ensures a delicious drink every time. Now, let's start building our mojito. Take about 10 fresh mint leaves and place them into a sturdy glass. Squeeze the juice from one whole lime directly over the mint. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the mint leaves a few times. This releases their aromatic oils without tearing them. Next, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar to the mixture. Stir well until the sugar completely dissolves. With our mint, lime, and sugar base ready, it is time to add the spirit. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your chosen white rum into the glass. Next, fill the glass generously with ice cubes, almost to the brim. Use a long spoon to stir the mixture thoroughly for about 30 seconds. This ensures all the flavors are well combined and the drink is perfectly chilled, ready for the next step. For the final touch, top off your mojito with about 4 ounces of crisp club soda. Give it one last gentle stir to incorporate the soda without losing too much fizz. Garnish your refreshing drink with a fresh lime wedge and a small sprig of mint for an inviting aroma. Serve this delightful mojito immediately with your warm, crispy Tostones. Enjoy this perfect pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.